Hi, good morning. My name is Anuj Gupta from Tag Investments. Welcome to the Market Outlook. मार्केट क्या लगता है? नमस्कार, मेरा नाम अनुज गुप्ता है। आप लोगों का स्वागत करते हैं मार्केट आउटलुक मार्केट क्या लगता है में। हम लोग रोज सुबह 8:45 और 9 के बीच में between 8:45 a.m. to 9 a.m. we go live on a YouTube channel and on a Zoom channel by the name of Tag Investments, and we talk about Nifty, Bank Nifty, currency, technicals, fundamentals, global, and more. So let us get started with today's session. Yesterday we saw Nifty closing at 18,044. It remained in a range bound movement in most of the session and it closed negative at 18,044 levels. We are seeing a higher low formation, which is a good part, and dips being bought into the market. However, it is forming a small bearish candle as well. And as per the global markets, we should be opening negative today. So for intraday purposes, if it manages to hold above, even after the gap down opening, if it manages to hold above 18,000, can we see a further upside to 18,150 and 18,350? And on the immediate support side, one should take positions at 17,850, and for positional trades, one should take a position at 17,777 levels. So on the Bank Nifty, it was much more resilient than Nifty, thanks to some PSU banks' participation in the market. So it closed at 39,368. Resistance is at 40,000 and 40,150, and support at 39,000 and then 38,500. The key level to watch out would be 39,500 for today, for it to move towards 40,000 and 40,150. On support, 39,000, 38,500. On the option buying front, we suggest to buy Nifty weekly 18,050 call near to 80, stop loss of 40, target of 160. Option strategy, one can go with Nifty weekly bull call ladder spread by buying 18,050 call, selling 18,150 call, and selling 18,250 call at net cost of around 26 to 27 points. Option writing, one can sell Nifty weekly 17,700 put and 18,300 call at around 18 to 20 points with strict double stop loss of 30 to 35 points. Our technical pick for today is Tata Elxsi. With a previous close of 6270, one can enter at this price, stop loss of 6140 for it to move towards 6570 as the target price. USD NR pair recovered in the last few hours of the session to 74.25, since most of the IPO buying is done. So we should see some recovery in USD INR pair going forward. It is likely to consolidate in a range between support near 73.9, intraday resistance around 74.4, higher resistance remains at 74.7 mark. On the global market front, US markets yesterday fell 0.3% lower as investors await US inflation data to gauge the outlook for monetary policy. Currently, Dow future is trading minus 0.3% lower. European indices yesterday ended 0.1 to 0.4% lower. Most of the Asian indices are trading minus 0.5% lower, so the global cues are negative. As far as Indian markets are concerned, it opened positive but soon drifted into red and remained volatile in a narrow range throughout the session, down 24 points, approximately minus 0.1% to close at 18,044 levels. FIIs have been persistently selling. Yesterday, they sold for 2,445 crores shares. DIIs bought shares worth 1,418 crores. Currently, SGS Nifty is trading minus 0.7% lower, that is 125 points down. So domestic cues are negative and we can expect a gap down opening. As far as the news and impact are concerned, Dixon Technology has entered into a joint venture agreement 51:49 with Beetle Teletech for manufacturing of telecom and networking products. So positive for Dixon Tech. Prestige State, the company plans to diversify into warehousing prompted by huge demand from online e-commerce firms in particular. It is gearing up to develop a large warehousing portfolio and has acquired multiple land parcels in and around Bangalore, India's e-commerce hub. So positive for Prestige Estate. HDFC Limited, the company to raise rupees 3,000 crores by issuing secured redeemable NCDs on a private placement basis. So positive for HDFC Limited. As far as the fundamental ideas and research ideas are concerned, the first one is ONGC at a current market price of 157. Brent crude gained 2% to $85 per barrel after the Biden administration backed away from an immediate release of crude from the Strategic Petroleum Reserve, and an industry report showed a decline in US inventories. So positive impact on ONGC. ABFRL at a current market price of 306, target price of 350. It's a strong buy. Revenue recovered to 89% of pre-COVID levels, second quarter FY20 at INR 20.5 billion, with a 340 basis point improvement in gross margin. We factor in a revenue by EBITDA CAGR of 7%, 16% over FY 2023 estimates respectively. Net debt remains a key monitorable as earnings in second half FY22 and the final tranche of the rights issue could offset capex and WC spends. The top research ideas for a time frame of more than 1 year one can consider to invest in are Orient Electric, SBI, Indian Hotels, Bharat Forge, Reliance Industries for an upside between 15 to 30%. So that's it for today. Thank you so much. We are also having the Nykaa listing today. So it's a very good company, good valuations, profitable company, good tech platform, overall execution, management techniques are very, very strong. So we expect a good positive opening for Nykaa, and all those who missed out on the Nykaa listing, they can still participate for a further 15 to 20% upside. And congratulations to all those who got the Nykaa listing of shares. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for the watch. Have a good day. Happy trading, happy investments. In case you've not subscribed to our channel yet by the name of Tag Investments, do hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that whenever we go live, you get a notification and you can make the most of